I'm working on the front end of the car today, putting on the radiator cooling fan and an oil cooler. I made the cardboard template for the fan housing the other day, and our friend Tony has dropped off the aluminium version that he's laser cut for us today. So I'm going to be recording the fitting of this and the oil cooler, which is going to sit roughly here, so it's all going to end up hopefully looking a bit more like a car at the front. I thought you might be interested in seeing the process. That gives an insight into what's involved in putting the front end together. The oil cooler obviously needs fittings and then hoses running to the engine, but those bits aren't actually on the engine yet, so that'll be covered later. The bracket for the fan is going to have some foam on it to secure the air gap between the fan and the radiator, and potentially these brackets are all going to be powder coated or painted. So there's still work to do on it, but that is what it's going to look like, and hopefully it all stays where it's put and does the job that it's supposed to do.